Holy mother effers, people. Do you ever feel like you're actually being trolled by like companies and your subscription boxes? Because I feel like I was trolled the entire month of August for my subscription boxes. So I'm gonna go through Boxycharm, Glossybox, and TopBox all today and tell you why I feel this way. So we're gonna start with Boxycharm. Okay? So I saw the spoilers for this and I was like, sweet. I actually was pumped to get the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. And let me tell you how then, as soon as this came out, there was like a big thing about Laura Lee as a huge racist. I was like, holy shit. I'm like reading through this tea and I'm like, oh my god, what is happening? I thought I would love this and I thought I would reach for it constantly, and let me tell you, I have not used it one time. I don't know if that has anything to actually do with the racism thing or just the fact that I don't find this as intuitive as it could be. I do love this pink here. It is kind of cool to me. It is like a really bright pink with bright gold sparkle in it. It speaks to me. The palette in general speaks to me, but like, I don't know why I'm not reaching for it. It's like a smaller, shittier version of the electric palette. So I want to like this palette, but I just don't. The green is barely visible in the swatch. The two blues are basically chalky pieces of crap. The orange is okay, but not where it should be for the kind of pigmentation that shows in this pan. The pink is good. I'll give you the pink. And the purple hungover here is, it's right. It's hungover from when it used to be a good purple and now it's just a chalky piece of shit. I'm like so enraged by this box that like I didn't even look at the card for it. This one is Life as a Party, or Life of the Party. And we have like a bunch of YouTubers in here I've never seen or met before. Not met, but I don't really know who they are. So the Laura Lee palette was $19. So just like, let's take that in. $19 for 6 shadows. I've had worse. I'm not gonna lie. The next product they sent was this Smashbox lipstick in the ugliest color possible. I feel like I can pull off a lot of shit. This is like the worst nude that makes me look so ill I have ever seen. I appreciate that it's a full-size lipstick. I do. But did you like look for the shittiest color possible knowing that it wouldn't sell and be like, send it? The Smashbox lipstick goes for $21. If you would like to look like death in your lipstick wearing, please purchase this for $21. My next product is the Ades New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. So recently I put in my favorites that I was really enjoying at cuticle oil, and originally I thought this was a cuticle oil, but it's actually just something for your nails. I don't have a lot of shit to talk about this. I haven't tried it yet. I probably need it. I was having a good run with my nails, but recently just broke all of them off because that's my style. Typically this stuff hasn't worked for me. I used to have the Nail Envy from OPI and it actually made my nails more brittle. This one is $18. Yikes. That's expensive. I did get the House of Lashes falsies. I do wish they would stop sending me falsies. I have a ton of them that I just don't reach for and don't use anymore. I don't have time for this. I am too old for these. I do YouTube multiple times a week, typically. I know I've been kind of like MIA lately, but I don't wear false lashes. Stop sending me them! Maybe I'm just bitter at subscription boxes this month. I don't know. The 5th product, because we got 6 products this month, is a Bang Beauty chocolate gel eyeliner. I love gel eyeliner. I have nothing against gel eyeliner, but what is this color? This is like light brown. This will not even show up on me. I haven't touched it. I haven't used it. And it was like open. It was essentially like this in the box. It's not closed. It's not closed. Nice packaging. I appreciate a gel liner. I do. So that one retails for $22. They will send you a eyeliner for $22. That's not even closed, nor a color that will show up on your face. Isn't that great? And the last product we have in here are Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They are sent 3 of them, and it shows in the back here they're actually just gold. I think I had some of these before, not from Wander Beauty, from a different company, and I couldn't get them to stay on my face. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'll say it 900 times. These don't do anything for me. So out of this box, I had one product I might use. And I know that I typically preach really hard for Boxycharm, and I still do, and maybe I'm just having a bitter month because all of my subscription boxes were not that great, but Boxycharm and I for August, we're not friends. Typically my Boxycharms kick ass, so I will continue to keep my subscription going, and I have said before, and again, we'll say it again, that you can't win them all. So we had 1 out of 6 products for that one. 1 out of 6. So we are going to move to Glossybox, and again, they did send a super cute box this month. This one is like all these like cute beachy themes, which I can get on board with. They sent, the first product was Blot and Translucent Powder, which just comes in these little thingies. It is literally just like a traveling translucent powder. I can actually probably get on board with these. I obviously haven't tried them yet. They're still in the package because I wanted to talk about them here. But I don't know how I would feel like about like pulling out this thing that kind of looks like a condom. Like, does anybody else see the condom-esque-ness of these? Like, it's a huge condom. It's probably somebody with a giant, giant penis, but that's what it looks like to me. Okay, getting into the box. So this is probably the product that makes me the most bitter. So this is the VDL Lumi Layer Primer Fresh. So you're thinking, yes, awesome, primer. I love primer. I can use primer. The back of it says, this primer gently hugs and hydrates the skin with deep moisture and volumizing, light brightening skin with clear and watery radiance. Not the best English in my opinion. However, it's obviously an Asian company because the English is right there and all of the rest of this is in a language which I do not know that looks like Chinese or something. I'm not being an asshole. I literally just don't know what it is. So, moving on. We are opening this and we're like, yes, yes, primer, yes. Wait, nail polish? What? And again, it just says on the back, shake well prior to use. Oh, it's made in Korea, so I'm assuming it's Korean. And then you're like, oh, okay, maybe you put the wrong product in here. And maybe it is just nail polish. And then you're like, wait, there's no brush. How am I supposed to use this? How do I get this out of here? So then you're like, okay, like this, I guess. And nothing really comes out. How am I supposed to use this? What is the point of this? If we could give away an award for the worst packaging on record for any kind of product ever, this might actually be it. This is a glass bottle for a primer, and it doesn't even have a pump on it. Like, I will throw this in the garbage because I'm so annoyed by it. It could be the best product in the world, and I will never know because I can't get it out of the container. For reference, this is $10, and these little condom blot and translucent powders are $3.99 for 5 packets, and they gave me 3 packets. Just for reference's sake. The next product we have in here is the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. What? Again, let me just read the instructions to you. Exfoliating pre-wash treatment. We are pre-washing our hair before we wash it. Are we just like making products to like make us have more effort for everything that we do? Our scalp detox has been specifically formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block the pores and disrupt hair and scalp health. Is this not supposed to be what shampoo does? Like, shampoo is supposed to clean your scalp and clean your hair, and like, what is this? What is this for? It doesn't smell like anything, which is nice. This is, again, another product I will probably never use. I bought a type of product like this to get the hard water buildup out of my hair from Bumble and Bubble, and it is a mousse, and it makes sense to me because you literally just like put it in your hair and then wash your hair, and it like foams and pulls the dead skin off your scalp. But this one you have to use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing hair. Wet hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. Use fingertips to massage the product all over the scalp in circular motions. Leave for a few minutes to allow the cooling sensation and purifying properties to detoxify the scalp. Thoroughly rinse and cleanse your hair using some other thing that they're hawking. This is too much work for me. I don't want to go wet my hair, put this in my hair, massage my hair, go wash my hair, condition my hair, come and put detangler in it, and then blow dry and style. Like, I don't have 1 month to do my hair. Like, the last thing I need is another hair step. No. The full size of this is $34 and 3 ounces. This is 1.69 ounces, so it's about half. So the value of this is probably around $15. I can do math. Okay, And we have another nail polish. So this is NCLA Los Angeles nail polish. I want to like the color, I do, but the packaging plus this color reminds me of when I was like 5 years old and Barbie used to come with a nail polish that peeled off. It was ridiculous. So this is a $16 nail polish, and when I think of a $16 nail polish, and then I was talking about the KL polish a long time ago, how I had ordered Ethereal Garden and it was about $16 and wasn't sure what the value there was for me. And then I get this and I'm like, what? Did this fall out of 2000 and like, no. Actually, did this fall out of like 1986? This is definitely the nail polish color I would have had when I was like, I don't know, in the late 80s. This isn't like a fun neon like they are now. This is like a pastel neon. Ew. We have yet another eye cream. I don't know what is happening here. So last month I got an eye cream from Boxycharm. This month we got eye patches from Boxycharm. I got an eye cream this month and 2 months ago from Glossybox. Like, how many eyes do these companies think we have? This is the Monu Skin Line Smoothing Eye Cool Gel for all skin types. Arnica and Siberian Ginseng. I don't need another eye cream. I will use it. Like this, I'm starting to feel like maybe I need to cancel my subscription boxes for a few months and like regroup my shit here because they're just sending me the same stuff over and over again. The full size of this is $30 for 0.5 ounces, which I bet you is, this is the full size. $30. $30. And last but not least, we have the Flash Hydro Boost Instant Plumping Emulsion from Ren Clean Skincare. Full size of this is $44, which is 1 ounce. This is 0.34 ounces, so the full size is clearly not much bigger. This is literally just a, I don't even know. Right. The instructions tell me what it is. Apply onto cleansed face and neck, then add water to the fingertips and massage into the skin until fully absorbed to supercharge skin with moisture. Use daily before moisturizer as part of the usual routine. So again, we have another product that is being sent that is saying you must cleanse your face, you must tone your face, you must then put on this pre-moisturizer moisturizer. Like, stop just trying to sell products. Like, stop. Glossybox, failure. And last but not least, and I haven't even opened this yet, this is the TopBox, and I am just assuming that I'm also going to be trolled by this because the way that the subscription boxes have been going this month, how could I think otherwise? I've been burned before. That's all I'm saying. I'm really sad because I'm such a hardcore advocate for subscription boxes to be able to try new things, and I just, I'm definitely being trolled. So this is the Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. I have seen a million reviews on these silicone, beauty blenders. I use Beauty Blender generically, like I would use Kleenex for facial tissue. And it's one of those, like, I'm gonna try it because I have to try it, but like, I would never have purchased this or actually gone to like, even think about trying it. But now that it's here, I feel like I have to. And like now I'm just laughing because this is ridiculous. Okay, TopBox sent me 4 samples this month. So TopBox is $12 a month. $12 a month Canadian. Glossybox is $21, and I believe Boxycharm is also about $21. The $21 boxes are American. This is the Barefoot Venus Green Tea Body Wash from Pink Pepper. At least this is useful. I don't know about that. Okay, moving on. They sent me the tiniest little version of the Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer, so this will get me about 3 uses maybe 4 if I'm feeling crazy. I actually do like this product, so I'm not sad about it. Haven't bought it in a while, so I will use this up. This can be a gym bag. A gym bag. Primer. I'm losing my words. I'm like so flustered, I'm losing my words. And the last product in here is a Fill and Tame Brow Gel by Beauty something. I can't even see it because the plastic on it has made it impossible. I don't know. I know it's green. I know it's a brow gel. That's all I know. And it apparently goes back in 6 months. Bad, not back. Honestly, I love things like this. There's a very clear warning on the outside of this that says external use only. Where are you going to put this? Alright guys, let me know what you thought of my of me being trolled by subscription boxes. Am I just being too picky? Am I out of line? What did you think of your subscription boxes this month? I can't be the only one here.